In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover a deleted YouTube channel fast. Losing your YouTube channel, whether by mistake or because something went wrong with your account, can be really stressful. The good news is that in many cases, you can get it back, as long as you move quickly and follow the right process. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact steps you need to take, and I'll explain what's happening at each stage so you understand why it works and what to expect. First, you need to identify exactly what happened to your channel. There's a big difference between a channel you deleted yourself, a channel that was terminated by YouTube for policy violations, and a channel that disappeared because your Google account has an issue. Take a moment to think back. Did you click anything to remove the channel or account? Or did you receive an email from YouTube saying your channel was suspended or terminated? That detail will matter later when you contact support. Next, go to the YouTube Help Center in your browser and search for the phrase Recover Deleted Channel or Appeal Terminated Account. This will bring up the official recovery and appeal forms that YouTube provides. Always use these official links and never share your login details with anyone claiming they can restore your channel for a fee. Once you find the appropriate form, sign in with the Google account that owned the deleted channel. If you're not able to sign in, try using account recovery through Google first, because YouTube is tied directly to that login. Without access to the correct Google account, you won't be able to prove ownership of the channel. On the form, you'll be asked for information like the email associated with the channel URL if you still have it, and a clear explanation of what happened. Be honest, specific, and polite. If it was deleted by mistake, explain that it was accidental. If it was terminated and you believe it was an error, briefly explain why, and mention if you think a particular video or action triggered it. After you submit the form, keep an eye on your email inbox, including spam or promotions folders. YouTube support may ask for additional details or simply let you know the outcome. The review process can take some time, so avoid submitting multiple duplicate requests, as that can slow things down. While you're waiting, avoid creating a new replacement channel with the same branding, because it can complicate things if your original channel is restored. Be patient, respond quickly to any questions from support, and follow any instructions they send. With the right information and a timely request, you give yourself the best chance of recovering your deleted YouTube channel fast.